One of little mom's children having quite an issue there. He put the cracker in the bowl and now he's having trouble. Oh, he finally captured it. Hmm, lost it again. There you go. There you go. So it's a rainy Tuesday night. I'm sure the dinner crowd will be slower tonight. That's okay. Maybe I won't go through $70 worth of crackers tonight. Who knows? I will tell you this though, I am getting so fucking sick and tired of this fucking Trump crap every fucking day. So fucking psychotic. Here you go, sweetie. You want another one? Come on, honey. Oh, you're gonna pick it? Yeah, I thought so. Here you go, sweetheart. Got it? Teaching each generation to trust me, and here he goes having trouble with the cracker again he put in. It's in there somewhere, you can catch it. Come on. You're cracking me up. It's in there. You put it in there, you find it. You want to know? Oh, there it is. It's in there. There you go. Oh, now you knocked it on the ground. Hey, Peppers. You want one, sweetheart? Come on. You can do it. You've been doing it. Come on, honey. Come on. Don't. You just winked at me. I saw that. Here you go, baby. Come on. Oh, you're going to lay there and give me that look now? That, oh, please throw me a cracker. I can't walk all the way over there and get it. Here you go, sweetheart. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, Pippers. Okay. It's okay if you want to be that way. You're giving me that look like, how dare you not just throw me one? Young man, I'm telling you, you need to come over here and get it. What? Yep, he's coming. Or she. I didn't look underneath. There you go, sweetheart. Now, Pippers. Now, Pippers. You are the funniest little creature. What do you think, Pippers? How many crackers are you going to miss because you're being stubborn? You just, before I started filming, you just took one out of my hand. And now you're hamming it up for the audience. Sitting in that funny little, you're like squinched over. Oh, now you're going to take one at a time and try to make me feel bad. You reach into the bowl and pull out one piece of cat food. Then eat it and pull out another one and eat it. And then I flash you the cracker and you give me that look. And then you just, oh, here you go, sweetheart. Come on. Okay, well, I can be stubborn too. That's a hole in the deck. That's a little hole in the deck, honey. You're not going to eat that. You want another one, sweetheart? See? There you go, babe. Oh, you're going that way, huh? All right. Pippers, you too funny. You too funny. Come on. There you go. You're gonna be stubborn, aren't you? It's raining out. You just don't wanna. Come on. Come on, little peppers. Come on, baby cakes. What are you gonna do? You're gonna back up into. You can't reach into the water for a piece of cereal. Figure out which bowl you're going on. Okay. Look, 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 look. You have the look. Now what are you going to do? You're going to go up there and lay down on top and go to sleep? What are you going to do? Are you... Okay, 2 bowls of food there, and you're going to dig out pieces from between the cracks on the deck? Or you're going to sit in one of your silly positions and just lay down and be lazy? Reach over to the bowl. Yeah, let me reach over, take one. Let me take another one. Let me take another one. Yeah, one at a time. You're such the clown. Okay, well, you know what? I'm getting wet sitting out here. So here, Peppers. There you go. Make yourself happy. Take it over to the water. Go ahead. See if you do better than your sibling. It's in there somewhere. Good catch. Okay. Well, I'll see you later.